Ndewo and welcome to another edition of Igbo Ndioma. Today we'll be looking at a fresh topic, which is ahiriokwu. Ahiriokwu is sentence. So we have been picking words in Igbo since we started, and today we've decided to learn how to form sentences using those words that we have learned. And I've made it pretty simple. It will be a three-way route. So we'll use enwerem, which means I have, nyem, which means give me, and gosim, which means show me. So how that is going to work is some of those words, letters that we use to learn words, we'll be using them to form sentences using I have those items, or give me some of those items, or show me some of those items. Okay, so let's go into details. So here we're going to use enwerem, which means I have. So the first example is enwerem aka. It means I have hand. Enwerem aka. So it means I have hand. Enwerem aka. So this is bag, and that is akpa n'Igbo. So we say enwerem akpa. Then another one is akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ is book. So we're going to say enwerem akwụkwọ. Then this is anya. Enwerem anya abụọ. It means I have two eyes. Okay, so don't forget I have. And you can actually use some of other words that you know, right? Just try to use it to form sentence using enwerem. So for example, if you've learned about, if you know ono is mouth, so try to use it to form sentence. How that will work is by saying enwerem ono. Okay, so give it a go. Then we'll go over to the next slide. The next word we want to use to form sentence is nyam, which means give me. Nyam, which means give me. So for example, this is meat and it's anu in Igbo. So you say nyam anu. It means give me anu. Nyam anu. So this is azo, and azo is fish in Igbo. So using that to form sentence with this word nyem, so it will be nyem azo, which means give me fish. Okay, in the previous slide, we noted that book means akwụkwọ. So to use that to form sentence, it will be nyem akwụkwọ, which means give me book. And this is money. Money bu ego, ego. So, and that would be nyem ego. So why not try it? Some of the words that you have learned, new words you've learned in Igbo, why not try to use it to form sentence using nyem? So for example, we learned aka as well. Aka is hand. So you can say nyem akage. It means give me your hand. And we'll go over to the next slide. So in this slide, we'll be using Gosim, which means show me, right, to form sentences with words that we have already learned in Igbo. For example, anya is eyes. So if you want to use eyes to form sentence with that word Gosim, so it will be Gosim anyage, which means show me your eyes. Gosim anyage, show me your eyes. So and this is aka. Aka means hand. So it will be Gosim akagi. This is head. Isi bu head. So you say Gosim isigi, it means show me your head. And this is book, as we already know, which is akwụkwọ. So you would say Gosim akwụkwọ. So why not try some of the words that you have learned in Igbo? Try to use Gosim, right, to form sentences using those words. My own example will be nwa, for instance. Nwa means child. So, and I'll say Gosim nwa gi. So it means show me your child. Okay, so try practicing. Okay, and share maybe some of the examples that you have with us in the comment box. Until next time, Komesia. And don't forget to like this video if you find it interesting, and subscribe to our channel so that anytime we post new videos, you'll be able to access them. And also don't forget to share with your friends so that we will continue in this journey of learning Igbo together. Komesia, ndewo.